What's going on, guys? It's freaking cold here in Houston, Texas. So this is the one thing I hate about Houston. The weather, it can literally be hot one day and then freezing cold the next day. Today we got Brennan and Zubair here. Say what's up, Zubair. Where's Brennan?
What? What'd he do?
Cool, so we got the whole squad today. What we're doing today is, so last time, if you missed my video, check it out. We installed the Street Arrow side skirts. It looks amazing. We already got the car up on jacks. Today, we're gonna be installing the APR Racing carbon fiber front splitter. So I got this used, so all the holes are already drilled for us, which is awesome. We just went to Home Depot, bought the washers and screws. So this shouldn't be too bad. Like I said, we already jacked the car up. Just gotta get under it, get some drills, drill some holes. You know what the deal is. Let's get it, go. People that are getting this brand new, all you have to do is get some tape, measure the distance, how far you want it to protrude out. And same thing, just get 10 holes all the way across, just like we did on the side skirts. And then get the washer and bolts through it. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. Same thing here. Make a screw there, make a hole there, and you should be able to get the rods coming straight out of that. Let's get to it. Alright, so just an update of what's happening so far. Zubair's holding it up from the bottom. So the issue was getting it to actually screw onto the ridges, like that double part after that, because there's a lot of blank space under here and then we couldn't screw it into something. Right, Zubair? How does it feel down here?
I'm about to get paid, bro.
Yeah, so another thing was aligning it front and back, and then aligning it also left and right. So we did 1.5 inches on both sides, and then make sure the APR is lined up straight with the Nissan logo. It's starting to come together. We've done 4 out of 10 screws, so we have 6 more to go. So we finally got it on so far. 10 holes all the way through the bottom. It's not complete yet because we still have to do the rods, but guys, this looks freaking dope. Look at that. It literally changed the whole front of the car, and you can see the side skirts there too. It looks so good. So for the rods, all you want to do is you can choose whether you want to put it, like some people have the rods straight, angled, whatever you want to angle it. Here, anywhere along here, just get a drill, make a hole. So we have our hole right here. I know you can't see it. Oh, there it is. And we made a hole here, and then we just stuck that one right now. Done! Oh my god, okay. That took a lot longer than expected. You just kind of have to mess with it, the top and the bottom, angle it. But let's see what it looks like, final product. We finally got the whole thing done. Shout out to Brennan and Zubair. Where'd they go?
Oh.
Yo! I could not have done this alone, that's all I'll say, but y'all ready to see this? It looks so sick. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Dun, da, da. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. It looks so good.
Dude. That's so mug.
What do y'all think? It looks so sick. It literally changes the whole look of the car. With the side skirts too. Next we just need to put a diffuser on. Right, Brendan?
Oh. Hey bro, this is fire right here, bro. Look at this. Let me get warmed up out here in this cold temperature.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Install is not that bad once you get it lined up. Lining it up was the hardest part. The rods are like a lot easier than I thought. But yeah, since I'm not tracking it, the rods are basically just for aesthetic. APR Racing front splitter 370Z install complete, guys. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that quick DIY. This is part 2 of 3. So we did the side skirts, then the front splitter. Now all I have left is the diffuser, and then the body kit will be finally done on the Nismo. The only thing we really gotta fix, guys, is this. Look at this wheel gap. I can almost fit my whole fist in there, 4 fingers easily. That's coming real soon. We gotta fix that. And then the exterior of this car will be almost done, guys. It is looking really, really good. It is coming together. It looks so sick.
Yeah, look at that wingman.
We hit 100 followers on Instagram, so that's pretty cool. I know it's not anything crazy, but that's awesome. Thank you guys for following me on IG. If you haven't, Stock Boys. And then we also hit 800, almost 850 subscribers. We're so close to 1,000. I cannot wait, guys. Thank you as always for the support. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a front splitter, Street Arrow also sells one, and APR, either one. They both look good to me. Rear diffuser, side skirts, and front splitter. It's gonna look so sick. Have an amazing weekend, guys. See y'all next time.